Hey everyone, I'm by the title you can see that this is about squishies. This is a squishy I just made out of squishy clay. It didn't come out really good, so it's just a squishy example. So squishy clay, it's soft and hard, this is how it is. So these are some that I have done just now. Angry face, like a sad face, but like almost the same. A happy face, very tiny. A happy, like so you can see right there. A happy face. Another happy face, or like laughing face, I guess. A smirking face with a hand covered over her mouth. Just a regular smiley face. These are all just handmade right now. My dad helped me make them, and I just did the faces and fixed them a little bit. A nervous face. Like a kind of nervous face. See how I was supposed to turn out? Turn out really good, but still. A little tiny happy face. It's really, really tiny. It's like super tiny. And then just like a Snoopy face, kind of. Looks like Snoopy. Then another happy face. Most of them are happy faces because I couldn't really think of faces, but so I had to go on the internet and go to like cells of squishy buns and just see their faces. And then like a sad girl face, has eyelashes. This is just a snake with some eyes, so that's still a squishy. Just drying. Then I have this one, like a little tongue sticking out happy face. This one is just like a regularly happy face too, but girly, kind of. Looks girly. This one is just like a weird, like I don't know what to do, or like confused face. And it is also tiny. And then this one's like a buck-toothed one. These are really hard faces. I couldn't come up with a lot. So I'm just bring them over here. This one's like a tongue sticking out, grunting face too, as well. This one is a kissy face. This is kind of long. This one is like a kind of square one, but like pretty cute. This one is a dead face, not a surprise face, just dead. And you have this one like confused too. These are a lot of squishies, I know. And then, oh, this way. This one's just like a happy face. This one looks like a beanie. It looks like it has a beanie. So it's cute. And my last one with squishy clay is this one. It's just a regular smiley face. Then I have these squishy plates. It's with mold magic. So this one is a happy face with a heart in the middle. This one is just a testimony, and it's soft. They made it like that. This one is a laughing face. These faces looked better than these because it's much easier because it was bigger. These were tiny. If they were tinier, they were easier to make. This one's just a regular happy face. Worried face. I'm sorry. Kissy face. Same thing with the other one. Dead surprise face, because that one's already dead face. This one is just like a happy face with lines in the middle. The same thing as this one, but you can't really tell. Sorry, that way. So these are really squishy. Look. They're like squishy. I can't really squish them that much though. So yeah, so those are all my squishies. Hold on, let me show you them. I'm sorry, covering the camera. So those are all my squishies. So yeah, I hope you liked this. And please comment, subscribe, and like. And please, please, please make a video response to show me all your squishies. These are all squishy buns and a little snake, an adorable little snake. So please, please, please do a video response. I hope you like this. Please comment below, and I'm so sorry it took 7 minutes to show you just like a couple of squishies. So thank you for watching. And oh, these are both different squishy clay and mold magic. Thank you so much for watching, and comment, subscribe, and like. Please, please like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye. Oh, and happy Thanksgiving. Woohoo! Oh, comment below if you're gonna eat turkey.